The latch assembly is a plastic latch that holds your cutter's handles together when it is not in use. It includes two O-rings that apply tension, so the latch doesn't swing freely. The latch is typically replaced because it is accidentally broken off. Replacing the latch assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
For safety, I'll begin by removing the blade from the cutter. To remove the blade, first I'll open the blade to the ready position. Now remove the pin, and the blade comes free. Now I'll separate the two halves of the cutter. It's secured with 3 screws. With the cutter opened, now I can go ahead and replace the latch. I'll remove the old latch and install the new. Now I can reassemble the cutter. I'll place the handle back onto the lower housing, and now I can replace the upper housing. As I replace the housing, I'll need to pull the sleeve into the proper location and tension the spring. To do that, I'll hold it in place in the position it needs to be in when we're done with the assembly. It's going to move as I install the other half of the housing. I'll use a small screwdriver to pull the sleeve back into the spring groove, as well as align the sleeve with the hub on either side of the housings. Once the housings are back together and the sleeve is located on the center hub, I'll resecure the cutter with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the blade. You'll notice there's a couple of arrows on the blade. You'll want to align those arrows with the 2 arrows on the housing. And slide the blade into place. Then I can secure it with the pin. And that's all it takes to replace the latch assembly on your pipe cutter. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.